Hey, you know, see them good old side gal, yeah? Them are gonna mash up on the life because, yeah, when them get into them feelings, them don't know if they keep them mouth. Well, anyway, this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe right now. Now, for the people who want to see the entire video with the cuss business with them two women there, and the police them eventually get involved, I'm going to see the full video. But what I want to ask is now, where them women get out of taking people, man? You understand? Before I play the video, I want to know where them women get out of taking people, man. Other than fucking at them all. It's easy for you to get to know owner man, you know. Man out there, you know, similar to him, you know, or to that man there where somebody else, man, who not taking, you know. Man out there, you know, with similar traits, you know. If it's a man who claims to have good cocky, holy pa man out there with good cocky and have the other hey, that not sound right, you know. But you know what me I try to say. I'm pretty so some man woman will take people, man, and then never cuss them and tell them say, oh, you know all good, that's why the man want to know. The man never tell them to say them personal woman or them wife all not good. You understand? No, for the time, and a good will make the man a fuck, you know. It's just that you're available because, you know, fool, and things say, you know, all better than the man, them wife. But anyway, we now get into that now. I'm going to watch the video and then forward and say what I have to say. Watch where I go on.
Yeah. Yes, clot. One come by, guys, and catch our man in with gun pump.
Uno watch carefully what she gonna do right here, so.
Let me forget this.
The carrier, I go drive and look in at the back of the next car. You not go see it, but you not go hear it. Listen and continue watch the video. See, wifey come out and look upon her car there after the side chick just run for her car in her back. See, the side chick can make a spin there. She go try to run over wifey, so just watch carefully. Remember, so the wife this right there, so in the red. Wifey commit the first set of offenses then when she beat down side chick car. Then side chick running at the back of wifey car. That is an offense also for the fact that wifey did in the car. So it symbolizes that she did try to hurt wifey. And now she go spin the car and she go try to run over wifey. If she did lick the back of the car again while wifey out, it shows that she just want mash up wifey car. But the fact that she go off of wifey this time, it shows, it symbolizes that she try to hurt wifey. Maybe attempted murder, attempted manslaughter, or some attempted aggravated assault or some shit like that. Watch what I go on. Hey, she done take wifey man already, you know, and hurt wifey, you know. Even though wifey a laugh it off, wifey hurt. But Anna, she still want to run over wifey for hurt wifey more. She want to hurt wifey physical this time.
What? And police there? You fuck out no?
Hey, wifey did initially, based on my observation, wifey did initially want to thump it out with the side chick. But side chick never depend that. She another type of girl. But if you give side chick a weapon, she will work it, you understand? And in that case, I will see say side chick actually get a weapon, which is the car, and she use it to her advantage and try to run over wifey, even though me not can do nothing but wifey and side chick can do. I'm just saying. Based on what is shown in the video, that are just what me I interpret.
Watch your video.
Yeah, man, me get it. Come on, come here, man. Me have to get you all of this, man. This is why you're hot. This is why you're grimy. Do I agree me? God Almighty. Do I agree me?
Now people, viewers, remember this is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now it seems like the side chick hurt rather than the wifey, because the wifey now said nothing, you understand? Or it could be a case of wifey done say what she have to say already, so she not nothing more to say. Or should they write this over there so I explain to the police them what take place. So she now no time for talk. Anyway, people, viewers, let me get serious now. No matter how you say side chick did this around her for her mouth, but oh, a wifey first lick my car glass and broke it or this and that. She in a big problem. She in a big trouble for the fact that she try to run over the woman, you understand? She better make sure so when wifey bring it further and it got a court and the judge watch CCTV footage them plus that video ya when me and ya watch, she better hope say when she explain to the judge understand say yo, she never did that try for hurt wifey, she just did that try for scare her. So she would have escaped a manslaughter or attempted murder charge. So maybe it is a attempted aggravated assault charge, something like that. I'm not sure, I'm not a prosecutor, but something in that area there. But for the fact that I never she confront wifey, a wifey confront she and she retaliates, so she might escape. You understand? It's just a warning. Or a charge where less serious, maybe a assault charge. Now to wifey and people like wifey, you can't go up to people vehicle so I don't know a vehicle people having a them vehicle. Suppose side chick did have a gun. I'm not saying she should have a gun. I'm just saying what if wifey, what if side chick did have a gun and you go up to the woman car and a beat pan the woman car glass and go as far as broke the woman car glass and she get mad and she just snap and bust a shot in her you. What if, I'm not saying it for happen or it should have happened, I'm just saying what if that had happened. You have to be careful on how approach and attack people on the street. You don't know people, you don't know what weapon, dangerous weapon them can possibly possess and hurt, you know. Be careful, situation like this can avoid. You find out say a girl that take a man, you should have a problem with the girl. You suppose to have a problem with your man because him committed to you, but yet still him have an next woman out there. And for the girl, let me take people, man, tap it, be careful. You understand? And every woman now have a weapon or now have a weapon. Some people crazy over them people, over them man, over them wife, over them husband, and we hurt enough for them. You understand? Even though it's not legal, it possible. Be careful or not take people man and hurt people feelings. I hear somehow, you know, me attack it off like 1 year ago to the other. Now I'm to the idiot boy. I'm a chat, same can't tell me how to live my life. Hey, I'm to the boy. I'm not come off of YouTube. Hey, you know, be careful, you know. Careful. Hey, you know, can deal with them situation are different. As I say, your man have a girl a road pan you need to left the man. You understand? You want a man, go get your own man. You find out your man have a woman. Don't look there so. You understand? Move on and go look somebody for yourself. You know, to Annie. Or a competition in a like run. So who you shape look a bit better. You can entice the man or so you can ride it better. Or show your face look a bit better. You know, I run competition. Be careful. You remember it's very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like the video and subscribe. Pick up on yourself.